This is 7 News at 4:30.
And in the news at 4:30, new details on the rape of a woman inside a South Florida mall years ago. There are new images that show the extent to which that culprit was armed. Good afternoon. A trip to the mall changed that woman's life forever.
It did, and now she's talking about the moment that she was followed and attacked. 7's Brandon Beyer is live in Plantation. Brandon?
Well, Craig Lynn, really alarming what police say they found inside the bag of the man that was arrested. This happened 2 years ago, so it's been a while. But the woman coming forward now, she says, because she wants to see some changes.
I am a young adult living with autism spectrum disorder who was sexually assaulted in a family restroom at the Broward Mall.
A woman who says she was sexually assaulted at a South Florida mall is telling her story in hopes of protecting others.
I was sexually assaulted on May 14th, 2022, and my life has never been the same.
The woman, who's in her mid-30s, was at the Broward Mall that day volunteering to help others with autism. She was at the food court when police say 41-year-old Terrence Style forced her into a restroom and sexually assaulted her.
He took our client down an isolated hallway to a family restroom where he locked himself in the stall with our client and sexually molested and assaulted her.
The woman immediately told someone what she says happened. Style was arrested in the parking lot of the mall. Police say he was carrying a bag full of weapons and ammunition.
He came with an axe, with a knife, scissors, box cutters, multiple guns.
Style faces 5 charges of sexual assault. He's out on bond as his criminal case continues. The woman's attorney says the mall did not provide enough security and has filed a lawsuit.
My goal is to make malls safer for adults and children with autism spectrum disorders.
We reached out to Broward Mall, who told us we are committed to the safety and well-being of our shoppers, employees, and retailers. We make significant security investments both in personnel and technology, as well as cooperate with local law enforcement teams as needed. Her attorneys say she will never fully recover from what she says happened that day.
I want to bring awareness to sexual assaults that occur to adults and children with developmental disabilities.
Okay, so the woman whose identity we were protecting there, of course, says through her attorneys they're not necessarily motivated by money with this lawsuit. They are more wanting to see changes and more security in places like malls. We are live in Plantation. Brandon Beyer, 7 News.